She glides between crimson tendrils, her exosuit humming against the silence. Specimen 6119, a crystalline bloom that drinks starlight. Her scanner captures its molecular dance. From above, the landscape resembles veins. Violet vegetation crawling through fractured laboratories, nature reclaiming what science abandoned. The twin suns cast her shadow twice. Perhaps this is evolution's poetry, she whispers, watching spores drift through holographic data streams. Her human consciousness, long uploaded into this biomechanical shell, still craves beauty. She touches a luminous frond. It curls around her finger. Recognition between the last two species, seeking connection in this gorgeous apocalypse.